Hey folks, this is Roy and welcome back to my channel HNT. Today I am going to cover one of the most demanded topics. Many of you have asked me how to convert HNT into fiat currencies. In other words, how to cash out the Helium tokens earned by your miners. This video should answer that, so let's jump in. Alright, first I will give you an overview of the steps involved in this process, then take you through all the steps in detail with demonstration. So here is the overview. First you need to have some HNT in your possession. Then you have to create an account in some crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase or Kraken. Then you have to transfer HNT from your wallet to the exchange account. The next step will be to convert HNT to some fiat currency like dollar or euro. And the final step is to transfer that fiat currency from the exchange account to your bank account. Step 1. Having some HNT. Now there are two options. Option 1, you might already own one or more Helium miners. In that case, you are already earning HNT. That's great. Hold your HNT for a minute. Option 2 is to get HNTs from one of your friends. But here you need to be careful. The address of the receiver should be a Helium wallet address. And this might be obvious to you, but believe me, some people have made a mistake. This address should not be the miner's address. So let me show you with a demo what I mean. So if you go to your browser and type explorer.helium.com/coverage, and you can look up your hotspot. I will just choose a random hotspot with some location and go to the details of the hotspot. Now here you can see two addresses. So this is the address of the hotspot itself. It says hotspot network address, and you should not send HNTs to this account, because if you send it there, it will be lost. You have to send it to this address, which is the address of the owner. If I click on it, you can copy the address from here. But I would recommend it is best to share the Helium address, Helium wallet address from your Helium app. That will make sure that you don't lose your money. Step 2. Creating an account in some cryptocurrency exchange. There are plenty of options. For example, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken and so on. You can use your favorite one, but I would recommend using Binance as they are the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world right now. They have the lowest transaction fees. They offer a variety of cryptocurrencies and they enable trading between various pairs of cryptos. On top of that, if you are creating an account on Binance.com, you can use my referral ID and you will get 10% cashback on all transaction fees. If you are creating an account at Binance.us, they are not offering any cashback right now, but you can still use my referral ID to support this channel. If I have any information on cashback, I'll post another video about it. Let me tell you one more thing. Most of the exchanges require serious verification. For example, you have to give your name, home address, phone number, some government issued photo ID and a photo of yourself. If you want to check out the details about the steps involved, I have made another video. You will find the link in the description, as well as it will appear in the top right corner. After creating and verifying your account, the next step is to transfer HNT from your wallet to the exchange wallet. In my case, I am using Binance.us. So after logging in, go to wallet, click on balance. If your balance is not shown like this, click on this eye icon so that your balance is visible. Search your coin, which is HNT here, and then click on deposit. So here you will find a new wallet address to which you have to transfer your HNT. Now there are few important points here. First of all, it says that send only HNT to this deposit address, which means you cannot send any other cryptocurrency to this wallet address. If you send it, it will be lost. It is only meant for HNT. Second, it says that coins will be deposited after one network confirmation. This means that once I initiate the transaction, it will not be available immediately. It will take some time, probably about 10 minutes. I'll let you know how much time it took in my case. Right now I have some HNT in my wallet, about 11 HNTs. And another important point is that never try to type this wallet address. You will always make some error in that. So either copy it, or in my case I'll use the QR code. So let's fire up the Helium wallet app. Go to your phone, click on Helium, then authenticate. After it loads, click on this double-headed arrow here, and then click on this blue arrow. So it says that you can now send HNT, and there is the recipient address. Of course you can type it, but never do it. Always copy paste it. In my case I will use the QR code. So click on this little icon and open my camera, and it read the recipient address. I'll just make sure that the address is correct by checking the few first and last digits. Looks fine to me. I have 3 HNT available, so if I type 3 here, okay, so it says you do not have enough HNT in your account because there is a transaction fee. So I'll change it back to 2 HNTs. It looks like the transaction fee is flat, at least for these numbers. It's little more than 1%. So I'll click on send HNT. So you can see the transaction is now pending. It will probably take a few minutes. Once it is done, I'll get back. It took about 10 minutes for the transaction to get completed, and now you can see originally I had 10.999 HNTs, and now $2 HNTs have been deposited, so I have now 12.999 HNTs in my wallet. So the next step is to convert this HNT into a fiat currency. So Binance.us offers directly conversion of HNT to US dollars, but if you want to do it for some other currency, you might have to first convert it in some other cryptocurrency like USDT or Bitcoin, and then convert that into your favorite fiat currency. So let's do it. In my case I can directly click here, the HNT USD pair, but the other option is to again go back to balance. So right now I have 160.93 US dollars in my account. So type HNT here, and now I have to trade. Originally I deposited. The withdraw option would be used if you want to transfer HNT from this exchange wallet to some other wallet, other Helium wallet. But right now I have to sell, so I'll click on trade. So there are now 2 options. I will use HNT to USD. This brings me to the trading page. Right now HNT is trading at 15.4 US dollars. Yesterday it was 17. I will lose about $4 here, but let's do it for the sake of this video. So there are a few options to trade. The easiest one is the market price. So market price means it will use the best available buyer's price, in this case 15.41. So I could just simply type, I have 12.99, but I want to sell 2 HNTs, and click on sell HNT, and it will be immediately executed. The other option is to use this limit option. So I can see the sellers are willing to sell at 15.51, so I will let's set 15.5, and I want to sell 2 HNTs. Let's place the order and see what happens. So you can see the limit order is now created. So it's here, my order is here, and let's wait for a few seconds and see if it gets processed. So you can see my open order is right here. I want to sell it at 15.5, 2 HNTs, the total will be 31 USD. Well, oh, there is one interesting thing happened. You can see it changed from $2 to 1.98. This happened because my transaction was partially filled. Alright, it got processed. As you can see, it's no longer in the open orders. I can go back to my orders and trade history. So you can see the first entry is this one that I sold it at 15.5. It was completed in 2 parts, but in total I sold 2 HNTs and got some US dollars out of it, which would be 31 US dollars, as you can see, the combined sum of these two values. So let's go back to my balance wallet, and originally I had $160.93 and now I have $31 more, so $191.93. Alright, so I have sold HNT, and this brings me to the last step, which is sending the dollars back to my bank. For that you have to connect your bank account to the exchange. I have already done that earlier, so I'll go back to the balance page again. I'll click on, so here US dollar, I click on withdraw, and I want to withdraw the amount that I just earned, which is 31 US dollars, and then I have to select the bank account here. So I click on that and click on continue. So it gives me some warning. If you made an ACH deposit, please note that you can only withdraw the equivalent sum after 10 days and there is no transaction fee. I will just confirm here, and it's going to send me an SMS for verification. So I'll just click on send SMS. I'll enter the number, and now it says that verify your email. So it has sent another notification to my email saying which I have to verify again. So I got an email from Binance regarding the transaction, which says action required, confirm your disbursement. It actually came from primetrust.com, which I guess is a partner of theirs. So if I scroll down, it says $31 here and confirm disbursement. Once I click there, it says again confirm to verify. So I click there and it says thank you, your disbursement, the disbursement you requested has been authorized. So I guess it might take a few days for the transaction to get completed. I have checked this earlier by sending $20 from my Binance account to the bank account. After performing the phone and email verification, I received another email from Binance on the next day saying that the withdrawal has been successful, as you can see here. Although it said that it might take 3 to 7 days for the money to appear in my bank statement, it actually appeared on the next day, as you can see here. So this is how you can cash out your HNTs. Hope this information was useful to you, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and get cryptonized.